Your next car could be the 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. Style, security, and efficiency blend beautifully in this Nissan Rogue, the handsome, family-friendly compact SUV that offers standard driver assist safety features and a smooth, responsive ride. Comfortable and capable, this sporty four-door hatchback brings confidence along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, power driver's seat, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, seat memory. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.